Hold up, you gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one. And now I get the hype. It's reliable, looks amazing, and works like a charm every single time. Don't wait too long. It's getting tons of attention and might run out soon. Links below. Yo, listen, this thing's going viral for a reason. I didn't think it'd be this good, but the moment I used it, I got it. It's got that perfect mix of style and function, and no wonder it's all over the internet. If you've seen this around, it's for a reason. Check the link below to see why it's trending.
Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. Thousands of people have bought this already, and for good reason. It just works. Super easy setup, feels durable, and looks way more expensive than it is. Before it's too late, check the link in the description. You're gonna love it. Hold up! You gotta see this one. It's been everywhere lately. I've tried a bunch of products like this before, but this one hits different. It's efficient, simple, and feels next level.